9:18, and every season has its flavors, and in summer we know it's all about a smoky grill, sweet corn, and frosty desserts. So here to simplify our next soiree with the hottest gadgets is author and entrepreneur Christina Dave. So welcome. All right, I love all these Try It Tuesdays because you have tried these, you've tested them.
Yep.
So I can't wait to dig in today. What are we going to start with?
We're going to start on the grill.
Okay.
This is brilliant. Whoever came up with this. You know when you grill and you need to baste your chicken, you put it in a bowl and then you waste whatever's left.
Right.
This fits on all the tops. It's a brush, silicone brush.
Oh, so you put it on the top of the sauce.
You put it on the sauce and you just squeeze what you need.
That is so clever. Oh my gosh.
There goes our grill.
But it happens all the time because I feel like I'm wasting so much of the sauce.
So you just use what you need and then you clean it.
And you clean it and then you can switch it, you know, to other sauces that you might
whatever
have.
you need.
Bingo.
How about
so
that?
easy. Okay, are we sticking with some meats here?
We're sticking with meat.
Okay.
So I married a Carolina boy, so I had to learn how to make barbecue very fast.
Okay.
So I used to do it with a fork. You know, the meat would go flying everywhere. So these are meat claws.
No way.
Spreads right up.
I was gonna say,
Look
you know,
at
if you've got a little pent up aggression.
Yeah.
I was gonna say it's been one of those days. Do you mind? And oh, okay. What am I doing wrong? Oh, okay, so I am doing it.
Yeah, you're doing it.
And since it's so big, you're gonna be able to shred more of it.
Yep.
Oh, that's actually really good because
right?
I'm usually doing this with a whole hunk of meat and, you know, my small little fork and it's, you know, going all over the place. This is very fast, very efficient.
This is dinner tonight.
I was going to say, your Carolina man's going to be happy.
Now, this is new from OXO. You know, they've got great gadgets.
Yeah.
So, you know, when you're trying to do your herbs,
right,
you get the stems in them. So it's a comb. Look.
And it just takes the herbs right off the stem.
Done. There you go.
So easy.
Okay, this is such a great story.
Okay.
This is a teenage boy in Maryland, and his dad's a chef, and his dad would come home, and his fingers were all cut up. So he invented this. So it's called Tip Tough.
Okay.
You just put your fingers in it like this, and you just chop. And when you get close,
so you don't have to worry about
cutting your fingers.
The fingers. And this would be great also if you're trying to get your kids into the kitchen earlier, you know? I mean, it's
Let them do, oh, absolutely, kid-friendly.
Kid-friendly, and it's a local, so support our local teenager from Maryland. So this is Tip Tough.
Tip Tough.
Okay.
Okay, so I brought a couple different corn ones on over the years, but this one's really cool. And people send me stuff, so the viewers have anything, please send it in because I love to test these things. So this is a corn shucker. Okay. So you stick your corn in, and then, whoops, sorry.
No worries.
You put the top back on.
Okay.
And it's like the apple core type thing.
And then you just, you twist that part down.
Twist this down. You can see that it's cutting the corn.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yep. This table's a little high, it's easier on the
lower, I'm sure.
Counter. But here, watch this. So now we're at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. You take that all out.
And then
that's the cob.
There's your cob. And then you just unscrew it, and there's your corn.
Oh, that's fresh corn too.
Yeah.
Oh, smells good.
How about that?
That's, I mean, and you really got all the way down there.
Isn't that perfect?
And that was very easy.
Okay. This, another viewer sent me.
Okay.
Every college student in the world needs this. It's a 5-in-1 opener.
Okay.
So you can open a can. Okay. Like this. I know we're on time. You can do a bottle. So here's the bottle one.
Yeah. Put that over
there. That opens the bottle. You can open a can on the other side.
I was going to say, forget college. I could use something like this.
You've got the church key right here for this. I'm not going to open the beer. It's a little early.
Never too early on Good Morning Washington.
And then you've got the hook for the pull tops.
Neato. And I'm sure that thing didn't cost you too much.
No, that's all you need. Just one little boom.
And so you could replace a lot of, you know, in that
space in your one drawer.
Yes, that has all of those items.
All right there.
Amazing. And who makes this?
Kuhn Recon.
Kuhn Recon.
K-U-H-N.
Okay. Fabulous.
Now dessert.
Yes.
This is so fun. Okay, it's going to get a little loud. Okay. So what you do is when your fruit gets a little bit old, your bananas look like cheetahs.
Okay.
And your strawberries, don't throw them away. Throw them in a bag. Put them in the freezer. This is Yonanas.
Ooh, I like the name of it. Yonanas.
Yonanas. Check this out. All right, so you start, because it's going to be loud. Okay. Start with the banana, then the fruit, then the strawberries, and then another banana.
So, the banana, and then some berries, all of our frozen fruit.
Push with this. See, there it comes out.
Is this making ice cream?
It's like a yogurt, like a dessert.
Like a dessert.
Yeah. And then we'll put one more banana in. Got a little backup.
That's okay.
There we go. Look at that.
And this is just the fruit.
Just fruit. Nothing else is added. No milk.
No extra sugar.
There you go. No milk, no sugar,
I
nothing
gotta
else.
give this
Oh, you gotta
a
try.
try.
There's a spoon right there.
So you just put, and you could probably do other frozen
Any
fruits. Anything?
Any fruit, peach, anything you want. Just make sure you just want to freeze it. Then you take it out of the freezer about 10 minutes before so it gets a little soft. You just push it through.
Dessert.
Isn't it good?
Amazing.
Yeah, and it's healthy. There's nothing, no sugar, nothing in it.
Just fruit.
Yeah.
So I'm going to continue eating it.
Okay.
Christina Daves, thank you so much. You are ChristinaDaves.com for more information, and reach out, on social media if you have some great gadgets.
I would love to bring them on.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.